Since 1959, Denyo has provided welding accessibility to many, and it all started with the idea of becoming one of the best machinery provider in the world. Our breakthrough became apparent in 1966, when Denyo recognized the importance of quietness and decided to explore the potential of soundproofing to meet general demands for quieter machines. With years of technological evolution, our Denyo welders are now built with innovations you may be familiar with, such as Smart Stick, dual welding operation, and many more. And here are some of our Denyo welders. While they may look simple with their compact aesthetic, trust me, like many of their great predecessors, it is highly durable, made for high-performance welding, and relatively quieter than most conventional welding machines out on the market, making them the top selection for welding operations in extreme conditions or urban areas with high population density. To browse more of our Denyo welders, visit the link for more product features and specifications. Thank you.